Let's say you eat properly and take your vitamins every day. You think you're doing all the right things, don't you? Well, it might surprise you to learn that you might not be absorbing all of those nutrients as well as you think you are. Long term, this could cause problems with your health. Here to help us understand what we can do about this is industry expert Dr. Susan Wilder. Welcome, Susan. So you're saying that even if I do the right thing and take my vitamins, my body's not absorbing them correctly, or what's going on?
Absolutely. Our bodies are very individual, and our nutritional status has to do with many things, from our genetics to how we absorb and break down and eliminate drugs and medications.
So everybody's a little bit different in how vitamins affect them, but there's also, you say, a range of vitamins out there in quality.
Absolutely. I would say good supplement is an oxymoron sometimes. Because we don't have regulation in that industry, it is very hard to cull out the wheat from the chaff.
So what's a consumer to do? Is price an indicator? Are more expensive vitamins better?
Absolutely not. I mean, there are a few things that consumers can do. Number one is to look for the level of testing that a supplement has gone through. USP testing implies that the supplement is tested for quantity, that what they have in the supplement is what they say they have. Pharmaceutical grade supplements.
So they're even not regulated regarding their labeling? That they might not, you might not even be in that capsule, what it says on the box?
Absolutely. Very scary. Some are not worth the packaging they're packed in.
Right. Now, is there any way that you can find out what your body's missing?
There is a wonderful test that was developed by SpectraCell called the Functional Intracellular Analysis.
Functional intracellular analysis.
Say that 3 times fast. So the functional analysis looks at, from inside the white blood cell, your cellular function for about 25 or more different nutrients: vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, essential amino acids.
Is it a blood test?
It's a blood test. It requires no fasting. And unlike serum testing, you know, the reason that physicians don't look at nutrition is we've not been able to serum test it. You know, what I had for lunch is going to impact my test this afternoon.
Of course.
It's going to fluctuate wildly. But from inside the white blood cell, you can get a long-term assessment of what your nutrition is. And that also tells us cumulatively where you've been.
So this test will tell you at the cellular level exactly what you're missing. And then you can target that with specific nutrients. Now, we should say that at the cellular level is where you want to make your wellness happen, to prevent major illnesses, correct?
Absolutely. It is within the cell that all our major body processes are performed, and every major body process requires nutrients to facilitate it. So if you're deficient in any particular things, you have many processes that are going to have to detour or halt.
Now, you're a family practice physician who uses tests like this on healthy patients to make sure they stay healthy along the way, and you're one of the few people who are prescribing vitamins instead of drugs?
You know, yeah, it's been a paradigm shift to get into nutrition because it's such a small part of our medical training. But in terms of patients' overall wellness, in 16 years or 17 years now practicing medicine, of course I started when I was 12.
Of course.
I have not seen a more useful test in promoting overall wellness, preventing disease, and improving vitality.
Okay, with just a few seconds left, how do people find out about this test? Where can they get it?
They need to look at the website SpectraCell.com.
SpectraCell.com.
And they can find out more about intracellular deficiencies and find practitioners who are familiar with using this test.
Great. Thank you so much. Good to
You're
see
very welcome.
you.
Thank you.
Have you heard of the Great American Bake Sale? The fresh and yummy details coming up next on The Balancing Act. Don't go away.